Hey, breach and charge. Hello. Up. You're gonna die to a breach. Send to a breach and charge. You called it, bro. You called it. Did you not hear that?
I just looked up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I got it. Everyone was walking before he even counted, though. Look. I just got live for 7 days. What? Oh my god!
The same.
I finally killed it. No, you're dying. You're dying. Yeah, what you can do?
Yes.
Where's left one?
What are we doing?
Big reinforcements. Guys, we want this wall to be kind of fortified, you know? The last thing we want is any pesky... Yo.
See you later!
That's it, I'm not playing.
He's out for 30 minutes!
Wait, am I? Oh my god!
Oh,
he shot them both. He shot them both.
Oh, it's not live.
Double kill. Oh my god! What the fuck was that? What a player.
You can get one more drop shot, Ethan.
Oh, you're fucking
Good night, boys.
This is all unreinforced, guys. Guys, this is not safe. What the fuck is going on?
Guys, I'm actually, I'm actually stuck. I cannot leave. I'm actually stuck.
What's up?
Oh! Yeah.
thing, alright? That's all I'm saying.
Dom?
I think my mouse is out of battery again. I'm not responding, mate. Can you hear that? That's not responding.
Let's go close you. Dom?
Do my bullets just go through people's heads nowadays? Like, I mean, I swear to God, that literally...
Hey, no, Dom. Dom, you need to stop. Dom! Every time I do anything cool, mate, I look at you and you're trying to find a way to kill yourself.
Go on, you got this.
Dom, you're baiting him.
Oh.
Keep baiting him, mate.
I'm not baiting.
Because maybe I'm baiting you!
What? Nah, you pissed. Nah, mate, what have you just done?
That's what you get for baiting a teammate, Dom.
You can't, mate. You can't like, outbait me. That's not how it works. It's like you can't say, "Oh, all right, two wrongs that make a shot." Stop. Two wrongs that make a right, mate. I don't know how they knew I was there. I was literally sat still the whole time.
And I watched the drone come in ages ago.
Wait, then... they droned and it didn't even spot me though. They tried so hard.
Mate, it's just so good.
Yeah, you haven't said actually. Probably one more time. I can't believe they droned me and didn't spot that. I'm actually in shock at how hard they were trying and they still lost 3-0. Man.
He's gonna touch first. He's gonna die.
I had a burger in my hand, that's why. I wasn't playing, I had a burger in my hand. I was only with one hand, relax.
Can we speak? Can we actually get a little bit into this, Anthony? I just want to dig into it a bit, mate. So you burger in your hand, right? So you had your left hand on WASD and shift moving around, and your right hand was on your mouse shooting an aim. So which hand is holding the fucking burger?
My right hand was on the mouse. I had the burger in my left hand.
Right.
So it was like kind of on the keyboard. So I was like, oh shit, I really can't do this. That's why I lost so much aim and control what was happening. So I didn't want the burger to touch the keyboard. So every time I tried to move, I was like, oh, I can't do it. Makes sense. Let's not talk about it.
Burger on his keyboard in the way.
Fucking hate it when I go to reload and there's a burger in the way.
Who the fuck is this dude?
Where was the burger, mate? During that death, where was the burger? Tell me.
It was on my lap. I dropped it. I was trying to.
What?
Off your crotch. Hello.
Dropped my fucking burger. On my fucking keyboard. I dropped my fucking burger on the keyboard. That's why I'm not playing good right now.
What are you playing around that?
Stiff. I've actually got the serious stiff arm going on right now. Okay.
What?
Well,
What?
they can't be that
What?
cold.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, what's wrong, mate? Oh my god!
I literally spat food everywhere when you said that. When you did that, I actually spat food everywhere. Win this. Win this, bruv. No, don't do this.
I need to reinforce that, mate. It's really annoying me.
What do you mean?
It looks like it should be reinforced.
That one. Mates. Mates, just reinforce it. Just be a man.
All right, I'll be a man.
Stick it out. Oh! As if...
We're gaming. Giving myself some cover.
Bruv, this nomad is freaking out so much.
Is she?
Around the bed still. Yep.
Fuck that verse.
One bullet. Be a man. What is this?
What is that
fight? What was that fight? I'm so angry. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Don't speak. No, shut up. Shut up. You're not allowed to fucking do that, man. Bruv, breathe in air. Can't explain how bad that nomad was. Like, I think I've actually had shits that if I put on my fucking DX racer right now, it would do better at getting a kill against Marley. Honest to God.
Shit. So you put on your DX racer?
Who did bet on the nomad? I swear to God, mate. That nomad literally just sat there and just monged out. Can't argue with that. It's an enemy next to the window.
I got a Twitch drone.
Shock drone down.
Oh. What was that weed?
Nature. No, you're pissing me off. No, you're pissing me off. No, you're pissing me off. Don't look at me. No, don't look at you. I'm gonna continue looking this way. If I can't see you, mate, it didn't happen.